IPO bar. Yes? IPO bar.
Of course, we will definitely.
Some IPO deals are done here inside this bar. Refreshing, and you should really give it a try if you ever end up coming to Mumbai. Do they come and try to sell you shares?
Yeah, of course. I mean, they discuss so many things actually. Whenever the stocks are going up, I mean, they are in full
Full happy and all.
Friends actually around. I made many friends here, stockbrokers and the people who work for brokers.
So this is Colaba, the place that you have all seen. Gateway of India, Colaba Causeway, very expensive beers. But today we are not going to Mondegar or Cafe Leopold. We are going to a place where nobody from Instagram goes to, where you will only find traders and lawyers after hours visiting there, having some cheap drinks, doing some business deals. We are going to a quarter bar here, or a dive bar as you may call it, which is just situated right beside Bombay Stock Exchange. So you can see we are just walking through Colaba right now. You can see that Bombay Stock Exchange is right there on top of us, standing like a mighty towering giant. So this bar is the place where you see all the traders going after trading hours to make deals. I've even heard that there is some murmur that some IPO deals are done here inside this bar. It is a place where only people who know can take you to, and you might not really come to know where it is if you don't really know it. So we are going to go see if we find some interesting guys there, a lawyer, probably a stockbroker. Let's see who we see there. So these are the tight alleyways of Colaba. We are right under the Bombay Stock Exchange building, and we are heading to this bar that I just told you about. So we have to go through some very tight alleyways. This is one of those places where if you don't really know where you're going, you might get even lost. So the name of the place that we are going to is by the name of Garden Jolly. Let's see. You can see how dark everything is. So this place is absolutely not easy to spot. You can see that bulb right there. That bulb is the only way you know that you have come to the right place. It's very tight, very dark. You can see that very narrow alleyways. There is just no sign here, no QR code. Even the sign of the restaurant is not lit. But we are right under here. We are right under, I hope you can see, we are right under the Bombay Stock Exchange. So dimly lit. Very dangerous steps to walk here when you're drunk, okay? But that's it. This sign is the only thing you have that you know that you have come to the right place. So we have ordered for the basics. You can see this dish here is apparently very unique. It's a combination of chana, fried chana, and you can see these whole garlic cloves here. This is like the peak bar food, or you can call it in the local Mumbai word as chakna. We have ordered LP as the beer here. And so the guys who don't know about LP, is this local beer in Mumbai, which is cheaper than Kingfisher. And all the people who have been staying in Mumbai for a long period of time, they swear by this beer LP. And it's really refreshing, and you should really give it a try if you ever end up coming to Mumbai. We are with Mr. Chandra right now, the host of this nice bar that we are in. He's going to tell us a little stories about the bar and things that he has experienced till now, being the owner of this place. So Mr. Chandra, please बताइए, can you say?
ये तो 1974 का lunch home था. Once upon a time it was a lunch home. Started with the lunch home, and it was very small, and later on we developed actually recently in the sense 20 years now. So it was started by my father in 2000. So in 2000 we bought a license also, permit license, and we developed food and drinks both. I mean alcohol. It was a very old restaurant, one of the oldest restaurant you can say. and serving Mangalorean seafood as well as authentic and
Okay.
traditional food.
Okay, so can you tell, because I just was showing the viewer that this place is just under Bombay Stock Exchange
Yeah.
and just beside Bombay High Court.
हाँ.
तो आपके पास कोई, you have any interesting stories of the people who visit this bar?
BSC next to us, and we have this high court also. In addition to it, there are so many banks and all. I mean, it was all. I mean, regularly they come and eat their food in the afternoon as well as evening also for the some relief from the work.
Any experience which you have had with these people? कुछ do they come and try to sell you shares?
Yeah, of course. I mean, they discuss so many things actually, say their office work, everything, and even the stocks. I mean, now whenever the stocks are going up, I mean, they are in full
Full happy and all those
happy.
things.
And no, they visit actually, they sit and they discuss. And whatever the strategies, sometimes they take from here only.
Acha.
This is the place they decide.
Right.
And even High Court advocates, many people actually, many advocates are visiting our place. They come for the lunch also, as well as I mean evening also they come and relax for some time and then they go home. So early crowd and all.
Early.
In the night.
And what time do you close at night?
It is 11:30 to 11:30.
So if you ever want to get some tips of stock trade or some stock action here, you can visit Mr. Chandra's establishment. He will give you some tips before it
Definitely,
happens.
I have many friends actually around. I made many friends here, stock brokers and the people who work for brokers, like surrounded by. So there are, I mean, so many companies are there who are running this. I mean, investment
Management and all.
management and all.
As well as lawyers who are there
Lawyers
involved in
also
all
there.
this.
I mean, all these people are very regular, and I know them since very long time. They are more than my clients. Like they are very close to me, like a friends. And,
So I think we can call Mr. Chandra's place to be IPO bar. Yes, IPO bar.
Of course, we will definitely.
Yes,
Definitely, yes.
IPO initial public offering के पहले सब लोग आके Mr. Chandra's place they visit and they make sure they have their discussions over the LP beer and some chana garlic, which is the most famous, one of the most famous chaknas here. So please visit if you ever get a chance and meet Mr. Chandra here. He will.
It is a place for actually say. It is not like in a bar, normal bar. The people come regularly. You can make out since so many decades, like 2-3 decades, and their fathers used to come. Now
Right.
the sons are
Loyalty.
and that is the way. I mean, it is because it's like a hiding place, but still people know that it is not noticeable, but still people visit because of its popularity and traditions.
Okay. So I hope you had a great time, everyone. Please make sure you visit Garden Jolly, and please always try to eat the chana garlic if you can.
And please, I mean, review this actually. Give review in the Google.
Yes, and if you do visit the place, please make sure to leave a very good review on Google
If you
reviews.
like the place.
Like the place. So we are having the basics Indian Chinese, as you can see here. This is paneer chili. We are down to our second glass of LP. Some manchow soup. Some fried noodles. This is typical Indian quarter bar fare. चकली ठीक है, चकली सिंग भेल, और ये क्या है इसमें, chana, सूखा chana. So this place is exactly that. It is a non-judgy environment where you can come and have your drinks, talk about IPOs, talk about your cases, and just have a great time. I hope you guys enjoyed what we saw today, and I am Mukund. Please like and subscribe. This is Unmapped, and we'll see each other in the next one.